Today we drawing and coloring in. As for Hubbard squish, we started the series of alphabet learn with vegetable. So first of all, we draw the sketch of H for Hubbard squish vegetable.
Amazing!
Now we'll fill the color in it.
Amazing!
I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon